going to build 3 more of my mini trauma kit. It comes in a Maxpedition bag, which is their micro pocket organizer. Has a loop on the back. For my pocket carry, I cut my loop off. I don't put anything in the front pocket, so you can put in there whatever you want in there. Inside, it has 4 alcohol wipes, so 2 packs of 2 sets of extra large gloves to fit anybody's hand, folding scissors, 3 and 3 of 2 different size band-aids. In the pocket here, it's got a big band-aid and a wound packing gauze, which can be used for regular wrapping gauze, a large safety pin, a small marker, and the rat's tourniquet. So let's build. I've got enough laid out for 3. So let's unpack one of the scissors. These are very good scissors. Coghlans, I guess. 7600 scissors. And what these are is they're folding scissors. You pull out, you swing out, and they're scissors. Really good ones. People know them as folding scissors or camping scissors. So I've used those since I was a teenager. We've got a marker, a little Sharpie. You can get these in different colors. They're having a sale, 2 for 1. And this is the khaki, part number 0262K. K is the color. So we have 2 pockets here, a big pocket in the back, a big pocket in the back over here, and small pockets here. And then if you need to tie anything in there, you have a little strap. So this is designed to have a little extra room in there to add whatever you want. So first thing we're going to do is take 3 and 3. So we've got 1 inch by 3 and then 3/4 by 3 band-aids. Whenever you need one band-aid and you're out working, you usually need another because this one will wear off. Take the bigger ones. Put them on one side. Take the other ones and put them there. And we want a little bit of room right here for our gloves. Now we're going to take the wound packing gauze, which is a Z-fold. The ribbon in there is so if you did pack a wound, it'll come up in X-ray. Directions on the back. NAR, part number 30-0054. So what is NAR? It's North American Rescue, NARescue.com. This is the thinnest gauze that is out there. And then we have a big band-aid. Now this band-aid does not have any adhesive on the very side, so they can double if you would use a 2x2. So we're going to take this, and the package dimensions are bigger. So I'm just going to fold that. The bottom's okay. We're going to fold this top part over. The way you'll see the red tabs, what that's for is that's where you tear. So we're going to stick that in the pocket and then put the band-aid in front of it or behind it, doesn't really matter. Let's put it behind it. Okay, so we're almost done with that side. So I like to get my gloves in bulk. And take 2 pair, and one goes on top and one goes on the bottom. So the main part of the gauze fits in between. So then the last thing for that side is the scissors get put in the pocket, the strap near the hinge part of the bag. Now we have this is a 3-pack of rapid tourniquets, the Rats tourniquet. And the ones I bought several years ago are orange, so they now have this green color. So we're going to take it and undo it from the cleat. Just unfold it. Okay. And you want about 3 fingers in there. And then this is where you would write the time. Okay, I'll do another video on how to use these. So this is all wavy, so we have to roll it up. I'm not going to do that on camera right now. And then it would fit in the back. And then we take the hook from the pen, put it there. That way when we close it, the scissors are on one side and the pen ends up on the other. The gloves end up on the top and bottom. Now these aren't tied in, so when you open it, you have to open it face up. And then our 4 alcohol pads, get the new ones, will go in on top. And zip it up. Now the last thing to go in are the safety pins. 1 large, 1 small. Lots of uses, removing splinters, bandaging. We will come in from the top. That just makes it a little easier to use. You can see that doesn't fit, so we can poke through and then hook it in, but we want them to kind of move around a little bit for us. This is airport safe because the scissors are allowed. Everything in here is allowed. Of course, TSA can say anything is disallowed, but that's the first aid kit with using the Rats tourniquet, which is one of the, when you roll it up, can be one of the most compact tourniquets out there.